Hello everybody, how are you today? Muraho mwese, amakuru yanyu y'uyu munsi. Are you happy? I hope so. Mumeze neza? Ndabyizeye. My name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Nitwa Jean de Dieu Uwingabiye, ndi mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm here to teach you English. Uyu munsi ndi hano kugira ngo mbigishe icyongereza. Our today's topics is auxiliary verbs. Uyu munsi insanganyamatsiko yacu iragira iti inshinga fatizo, icyo twita auxiliary verbs. There are 3 basic English auxiliary verbs. Hariho inshinga eshatu fatizo mu cyongereza. Those are to be, to have, and to do. Akabarizo to be, kuba. To have, kugira. And to do, gukora. Now, let us look at together the use of these 3 basic auxiliary verbs. Reka rero ubu ngubu turebere hamwe uko wakoresha izo nshinga eshatu fatizo. We use auxiliary verb to be to make continuous forms. Dukoresha inshinga fatizo to be cyangwa kuba igihe turimo turakora igihe nkomeza present continuous cyangwa se ibihe nkomeza. Tuzayisanga mu bihe bitandukanye, uzabona bikomeza. Bishobora kuba ubu ngubu biri gukomeza, tubyita present continuous. Urugero, I am doing. Ndetse no mu gihe cyahise ukavuga ngo I was doing. I am doing bisobanuye ngo ndimo gukora. Naho I was doing bigasobanura ngo nari ndimo gukora. Hari n'ahandi tuyikoresha mu bihe mitakare cyangwa mpita vuba. Nuko nagenekeza nkabivuga mu Kinyarwanda cyo bita present, cyo bita perfect forms. Urugero, icyo twita perfect forms nacyo kigizwe na auxiliary bita have. Niyo mpamvu ngira ngo mvire hamwe kuri to be nkwereka aho hantu hose wayikoresha. Ahandi rero ngiye kubabwira aho perfect forms ufata have ya be igahinduka been. Been ni agace kagendana na have mu gihe uri gukora imitakare. Urugero, I have been. Bisobanuye ngo nabaye cyangwa nahoze ndi. Ngiye kuguha urugero ko nabaye muri Amerika. I've been to America. Bivuze ngo nabaye cyangwa nigeze kujya muri Amerika. I've been. Iyo have dushobora kwishyira nayo mu gihe cyahise. Have ihinduka had. Ubwo rero tugiye kubihuza na been bisobanuye ngo nabaga ndi. I had been. Ariko iyo tuvuga buri gihe dukoresha impine. Whenever we talk, we use short forms. Ubwo rero mu cyimbo cyo kuvuga ngo I have, so instead of saying I have, turavuga ngo we say I've. I've ni impine ya I have. Naho mu gihe cyahise I had in past. Turahina ngo I'd. Noneho rero hamwe twavuze ngo I have been, turahina tukavuga ngo I've been. Bivuze ngo nabaye, nahoze ndi cyangwa narindi. Naho I had been, nabaga ndi. I had been. Murabihinura bavuga ngo I'd been. Iyo yari verb to be, dushobora no kwishyira mu nzagihe. Aho dushyiraho ijambo will. Aho uzabona ijambo will, uzakoreshe uzamenye ko ari inzagihe. Urugero ndavuga ngo I will be, nzaba ndi cyangwa nzaba. So nayo mu mpine urahina uti I'll be. I'll be bivuze ngo nzaba ndi, ni impine ya I will be. I'll be. Verb to be ishobora no gukoreshwa. We can also use verb to be mu gihe uvuga akazi, when you are talking about your profession. Urugero, I am a teacher. For example, I am a teacher bisobanuye ngo ndi umwigisha, umurimo wanjye ni ubwarimu. I'm a teacher. Ni ukuvuga iki? Akazi. Tuvuga ko uri umushoferi, uzivugira uti I'm a driver. Bivuze ngo ndi umushoferi. Verb to be ntabwo ikoreshwa gusa mu kazi. We don't only use verb to be to talk about jobs. Ntabwo dukoresha verb to be tuvuga akazi gusa. We can also use verb to be to talk about descriptions. Dushobora no gukoresha verb to be tugaragaza imiterere, uko abantu bameze cyangwa uko ibintu bimeze. Uko ibintu bimeze cyangwa abantu babyita descriptions. Description biva ku nshinga describe, kugaragaza, kwerekana, kuvuga imiterere. So iyo uvuga umuntu uko ameze ukoresha verb to be muri bya bihe byose. Ngiye kuvuga ko nishimye. I'm happy. I'm happy. Ngiye kuvuga ko mwishimye. You are happy. Dushobora no gukoresha andi magambo agaragaza imiterere. Ubutaha nzabigisha icyo bita adjectives. Ayo niyo magambo agaragaza ibintu uko bimeze, imiterere. Mu Kinyarwanda babyita ibinyazina, kubera biba bigaragaza iryo zina nyiraryo, imiterere ye. Ngiye kuvuga ko uri muremure. N'urugero, niba uri muremure umenye ko ngiye kubikubwira. You are tall. You are tall. Mvuze ko uri muremure. Naho se umugufi? You are short. Reka tuvuge undi muntu. He's short. Uwo ni umugabo. She's short. Uwo ni umukobwa cyangwa umugore. Reka rero turebere hamwe iyo verb to be ivuga imiterere. Ushobora no kuyikoresha mu bundi buryo uvuga nk'ahantu umuntu ari cyangwa ikintu kiri. Tuvuga nk'urugero, ngiye kuvuga ngo uri. Ushobora kukubaza where are you? Uri hehe? Wowe uzasubiza uti I am at. Ukavuga ahantu. Mbibutse ngo at igaragaza aho hantu. Urugero, niba ari ku kazi uzavuga uti I'm at work. Where are you? I'm at work. Bivuze ngo ndi ku kazi. At ivuga ku. Nk'ubu njyewe ndi muri studio ndavuga ni I am in studio. Ndi muri studio. Verb to be turayirangije, tugeze kuyo bita verb to have, nayo ni auxiliary. Yo dukoresha have, when we use have biba bivuga imitakare. Have is followed by past participle. Iyo have ikurikirwa n'akajambo bita mu Cyongereza past participle. N'akajambo harimo past bivuga impita. Participle impita gice. Hari impita kera simple past, akaba n'impita gice yo bita impita kare. Mu Kinyarwanda rero gusobanura uri mu Burundi biba bigoye, ariko ndi gufasha abatangizi. I'm helping beginners. That's the reason why I'm trying to translate word by word. So be patient and follow me.